Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 2. We are learning Unit 5. Its title is Modes of Transport. Today is lecture 4 under the title of Pronunciation Skills. We'll read and write 2 or 3 syllable words and we'll cover page number 39 of your book. In your previous class, English for grade 1, I have already taught you 1 and 2 syllable words. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this lecture again. And today we learn further and cover the SLO to read aloud words and simple sentences with reasonable level of accuracy in pronunciation. So today our focus will be words. And we'll write simple 2 or 3 syllable words with correct spellings. Leave spaces between words. So our focus is 2 to 3 syllable words in this SLO and words in this SLO. This is our today's task. So let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah says in Quran, Surah 33, verse 70, O you who believe, be conscious of Allah and speak a word that is good. Yes, my dear children, what Allah is saying, speak a word that is good. What does it mean? If a word is not good, don't speak it. Be conscious of Allah because Allah is listening you all the time. That's why we should always be very careful about our words. We should use good words in our conversation and we should not use bad words in our conversation. So we are learning many good words. Whatever the language is, always be careful about your words. Those should be good. So what about English? We are learning English and I have taught you in a word or in a part of word. In a word or in a part of a word, a vowel sound is called one syllable. Do you remember? A vowel sound is called one syllable. And sometimes 2 vowels may give one sound. So we call vowel sound, not vowel, vowel sound. For example, here you can see, remember vowels A, E, I, O, U? Here there are 2 vowels together, A and I. But they are coming together and they make one syllable, rain. Likewise, 2 vowels O and O. 2 O's means double O is coming together. Still, it makes one long vowel sound and it is one syllable word. B. Again, 2 vowels are coming together, but it is one syllable word. Till here, I have taught you in grade 1. Do you remember? So let's learn further. First, we'll practice. This is a picture of chair. Again, A and I. 2 vowels are coming together. We will not break it and we'll say chair. And I taught you to tell the syllables, you have to clap. It's one syllable word, you will say chair in one go. Okay. The next, if I ask you what is this and you say rose, so when it's rose, it's one syllable word and we'll say rose. Okay. Rose. But if you say flower, now you see there are 2 vowels, O and E, and they are separated by a consonant. It means we have to break it and we have to make it 2 syllable words. And how we'll say it? We'll say it flower, flower, flower. This part goes separate and this part goes separate. So how do we break it today? I'm going to teach you. Look at this word. It is basic. How many vowels you can see? 1, A, and the other is I. So we will break this word according to vowels. One vowel comes here and the other vowels comes here. And which letter is left in between? That's S and it's a consonant. All right. So how to make syllables? The first vowel is open vowel because we are going to join this S with IC. Okay. Now this vowel which is open, it will be, we'll speak the long vowel sound for this letter. Okay, long vowel. Like we know there are 2 sounds of A, we can say A and A. So A is the long vowel sound which we use for open vowels because it is not packed. There is no consonant after this vowel. But this I, this vowel has been packed by two consonants. So its sound will be short vowel sound. Are you getting it? And this will be long A, and we will say basic. This I will be less stressed and it will be short vowel sound. And this A, because there is no consonant after this vowel, that's why it will be long vowel, and we will say A. A is complete sound and it will be basic. And this word becomes basic. This is how we spell and make the syllables. Are you clear? Okay, so let's practice it. Which picture is this? Which animal you can see? It's tiger. When we say or write tiger, how many vowels are there? Again, I and E. So let's make it syllables. You can do it now because I, and we'll separate it. Now this I is because it's open vowel. You will say it long sound, and E will be in short sound, and it will be said tiger, tiger. Are you getting it? Good. Next is, what is this? It's a glass and there's water in it. So this word glass, how many vowels are there? One. So how many syllables will be there? I'll clap and you will tell how many syllables are there. Glass, glass. Good. So it's one syllable word. And here you can, again, you can see two vowels. So it's two syllable word, and we will say water, water, water. This is how we break its syllables. You got it? Good job. So it's time for practice from your book. Open your book on page number 39. Let's see what your book says about it. Pronunciation skills. Say the name of each picture and write its name with correct spellings in the given box. Okay, page number 39, there are pictures and spaces given. So let's start with the first picture. What is this? This is the first picture. This is the space. You will write its name. So to help you, what I can do, I will say it. I will tell the syllables, and you will write its name over here. Okay, so this is snowman, snowman, snowman. You have written it? Okay, now check, have you written it correctly? Snow, man, two syllables. Good. The next is mailbox. Okay, it's already written here. Mailbox. All right. Now again, look carefully. These two vowels are coming together, so we will not break it further. They are not separated by any consonant. So mailbox, two syllable words. Next, again, look at this picture. What is this? What it's telling to you? Again, I'm going to tell you by clap and you will write it. Fireplace, fireplace, fireplace. Yes, are you done with it? Okay, then check it with me. Now, fire, one syllable, place, two syllable. Here you may ask a question. A and E are two vowels. So this E at the end of this word is silent. You just take a note of this, because when we will be in grade 3, I will teach you many silent letters. Over there, I will explain it to you. Here, you just noted this E is not separated because it's a silent letter in this word, fireplace. Got it? All right. Next is, look at this. Again, I'm going to tell you syllables and word, you will write it. Teapot, teapot, teapot. Done? Okay, it's time to check. Teapot, two syllable words. Good job, you're getting it. Next is, again, I'm going to say it, listen carefully. Footprint, footprint, footprint. Done? Okay, so footprint, two syllable word. And next is windmill. I have mentioned it because windmill you might have not seen. If not, you may Google it, or whenever you go to countryside, towards village side, you may find it. So this is called a windmill. And how do we write it? Windmill. It's again two-syllable word. All right. And what is this? It is also, you might have not seen, but you should know what is this. It's scarecrow. 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 So how do we write it? Scarecrow. Okay. So that's it. There is another word. Okay, it's the last one. And what is this? You might have practiced, and you know this is, how do we say it? Crossword. 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 And how do we write it? Crossword. Again, it's two-syllable word. Are you getting it? I hope you enjoyed. Teachers, along with this video lecture, I have given the links for PowerPoint presentation, lesson plan, and worksheet. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. What I think can work, I have planned it. So you may pause the video and practice these words or more words with your students to make the syllable concept clear to them. So kindly pause the video and practice the concept. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So it's time for your homework. From your unit 5, you will write 5 two-syllable words and 5 three-syllable words. You will find two-syllable words and three-syllable words, and you will write in your notebook. And it's time for your practice. Again, my fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are given. You may click it, download it, print it, and kindly give a printed worksheet to my children. And students, what you are supposed to do? You will read the word out loud and clap your hands for each syllable and color each clapping hand for each syllable. You will say it, how many syllables are there. You will color the hands for how many claps we need to say this word. This is an interesting worksheet for you. And what we have learned today, we learned how to spell 2 to 3 syllable words, and we read aloud 2 to 3 syllable words with accuracy in pronunciation, and we practiced writing 2 to 3 syllable words. So in this way we achieved our SLO, that was to read aloud words and simple sentences. This we'll do later inshallah, and with reasonable level of accuracy in pronunciation. And we write simple 2 to 3 syllable words with correct spellings. So are we done with it? Yes, good job. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.